Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial Solidity, and in this tutorial we're going to discuss about some of the basic data types that are available in Solidity. So today we'll discuss about the boolean, the integer and the string data type that is available in Solidity. So to start directly we can just do pragma Solidity and 0.4.23. Next we'll create a contract, name it as test. So this is the basic skeleton of our Solidity file that we'll use in each and every of the Solidity file. So now to declare a boolean, we just use the keyword bool. So you do bool value. Now a boolean could be true or a false. So now I assign this value as true. Now let's create a function so that it returns the value. So we can test it out by creating a function by function and tester, let's name it anything, returns a bool value right now, and you could just return the value which is of boolean type. So now we just deploy this and execute the tester method. So you see that we return the true value. Now similarly you could change it to false and just delete this, deploy it again, and you see that oops, I need to just do the tester method and see it returns false. So similarly you can declare integer and a string. So integer is now of two types, that is int and uint. So what is the difference between int and uint? An integer can take up an integer value that could be either negative or positive, and on the other side uint can only take a value that is positive. So we can see that int underscore data is equal to 34 and uint data is equal to 34 again. So now if I put a minus in front of the int, you see that it works fine, but I put minus in front of uint, then you see that it throws an error. So this is how an int and a uint works. So you could just return an int right now and return the data. So you just deploy it again, run the code, and you see that it returns a value of minus 34. So similarly you could declare a string. So string name is equal to coding. So this is how a string is declared, and you could return a string directly. Just write name, deploy it, test it, and you see that we get the string itself. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial, and as we progress we are going to dive deeper into each of these and into more data types that are available to Solidity itself. So stay tuned and subscribe for more.